So we're going to do a quick recap of everything that we did. We're not going to be doing the interquartile range. We're just going to be doing range. I have a feeling I might have to teach interquartile range in these exam revision classes that we're doing because we're not actually going to be doing them. All right, so we're going to be learning, we have been learning about data handling. We're learning about mode, median, mean, and range. Who can remind us, guys? Hands up, or you can pop your answer in the chat. What is the mode of a data set? Who can remind us? Yo, Buhle, your hand shot straight up, my dude. Hi, Buhle, how are you doing?
Hello, ma'am.
Sure. Hi, my sweetie. Yo. I think you might be having connection problems just like me. What is the mode, Buhle?
The mode is the number that appears the most.
That's it. I love how you were like, the mode is the most. Good, because we know that it's the value or the number that appears the most. Well done. Excellent. Number appears most. Okay. Thank you very much, Buhle. I can always count on you. Amazing. Leona, can you remind us what is the median?
The median is the middle number after arranging numbers in a data set.
Thank you. Excellent. You know what? My next question to you was going to be like, what do I need to do in order to find the median? And I think you beat me to it because I was about to ask that. And then you were like, after arranging the numbers, yes. Excellent, Leona. I need to arrange my numbers from smallest to biggest first. Smallest to biggest. And then only then am I able to pick out the median. No, Mahlubi, you will always need a calculator. Trust me, especially with this one, that what we're doing today, you are going to need a calculator. All right, who can remind us, guys, what is the mean? Who remembers what the mean is? Riabetswe, what is the mean, my sweetie?
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, my sweetie. How are you?
The mean is the total of the numbers divided by how many numbers there are.
Oh, beautiful. Good. It's the total of the numbers divided by how many we have or the values that we have. Excellent. I couldn't have said it better myself. Well done, Riabetswe. Excellent stuff. Amazing. I need one more person to tell me, what is my range? Everybody in the chat, you guys are just killing it today. Anybody remember what the range is? I'm getting the same hands over and over, and I'd love to see some new hands. Anybody remember what the range is? Literally, Buhle, Leona, and Riabetswe, who gave me the first three answers, are the only people with their hands up. Anybody else can tell me what the range is? I know the three of you know. I know the three of you know. Bupelo, there we go. Excellent. Bupelo, can you remind us what is the range?
Ma'am. Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
The range is the difference between the lowest and the highest value.
Excellent. Okay, good. So I'm going to take my biggest number and I'm going to minus from it my smallest number, my smallest. Let me add the est and the gust. The biggest minus the smallest. Very well done, guys. Excellent. So I love that you guys know this. Now I want you guys to take this and do this exercise. I'm going to give everybody 4 minutes. Yeah, about 4 minutes. I know these are big numbers, but I know you guys can do it. No, Mashubi, this is why we need a calculator today. Okay, and when you guys are done, I want you to pop in the chat the smiley face emoji for me. Okay, 4 minutes, everybody, go. Sure, Hamani, that was super quick. I believe it though. Some of you guys are really great at this. Namatrubi, I'm not sure what a dot means. Thank you, Bulela. And Nomashubi, excellent guys. We'll give everyone else a chance to catch up. Excellent. Thank you, Snowy. And Hanley and Sia, excellent stuff, guys. Thanks, Violet, too. One more minute, everyone. Thank you, Bonolo. Sure, non-dumiso. Wrong emoji. My goodness. Thank you, Cindy and Leona. No worries, Sange, welcome. Emilia is giving us sad vibes. Thanks, Melisha. Thank you, Emmanuel and Spesihle. Interesting emoji. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, let's take it away. We are first looking for our mode. Okay, my first question here is, do we have a mode? Do we have a mode? Pop your answer in the chat. Do we have a mode? Uche says no. What do you guys think? Hulela also says no. Nondumiso says yes. Rabetu says no. Emilia says no. Titan says no. Melisha and Ilanda, I'm getting no, 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 no. Talisa says yes. Ooh, somebody said no, I think. No, Mashui, we need to know. Lilenka is like, nar? Nar? No, I don't know. Okay, but the answer here, guys, is that there is no mode. There is no mode. I want somebody to put their hand up for me. Can you tell me why there is no mode? Who knows why there is no mode here? Lilenke? Tell me, my sweetie, why is there no mode? Why can we say that there's no mode?
Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
The reason that like there isn't a mode is because there isn't a number that appears the most.
Good. Right. All of the numbers only appear how many times?
Once.
Once. Every single number only appears once. Excellent. That's exactly what I wanted to hear. Well done, Lilinda. You put that beautifully. All right. The reason why we have no mode is because there's no number that shows up the most. Every number shows up once. Okay. Excellent. Now we have to look for the median. Now remember, guys, in order for us to find the median, we first have to arrange these in order. So that's what we're going to do first. So I'm going to start with 260. And then after 260, what do we have, guys? My brain, I had this in my brain just now because I did it in the other class. And now my brain is just like, zoop, completely gone. 299. And then I have 362. That one's gone. And then I've got 488. And then 492. And then 512. And then 570. Cancel. And then I've got 600 and 755. And then 807 and then 895. Yes, Titan. Yes, we do. All right. So now, in order for us to find the middle number, we're just going to kind of like walk inward from both sides. Okay. So we're going to go 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, and they meet right in the middle at 512. So my median is 512. Excellent. Now, if I have to calculate my mean, remember, guys, all we need to do is we're going to add up all the numbers and then we're going to divide by how many employees Mathsland has. So I'm going to go 260 plus 299 plus 362 plus 488 plus 492. And at this time, at this point, you guys have all got your calculators out and you're calculating for me. How much is this going to give us? If we add them all up together, guys, pop your answer in the chat. How much are we going to get? If I add them all up, plus 807, plus 895, how much do I get? Tighten because this is a maths. Anybody pop the answer in the chat, guys? If I add all of these numbers up, how much am I going to get? Ooh, Shana, I think you've missed it by just a teeny bit, just by a little bit. Okay, somewhere I think you may have put a number in wrong. That's it, Riabetu. That's the answer I'm looking for. That's it, 6,040. And then I'm going to take 6,040 and I'm going to divide by the number of employees we have, which is 11. So I'm going to go on my calculator, guys. 6040 divided by 11. How much does that give me? Who can tell me, guys? How much am I going to get? 40 divided by 11. Pop your answer in the chat. That's it, Bulela. And I love how you put that 09 there because you remember that it's actually money. Good. So look at what I'm doing now. Okay, just getting my answer. Make sure that our answers look the same. 549,09 British pounds. Got it right this time. Yes. Okay. My British pounds was not looking so nice because I don't know how to draw the British pound sign. I know how to draw rands, guys. I get paid in rands, so I know how to draw rands. Excellent. Okay, Buthe, give us our range, my dude. How do I calculate my range?
Wait, okay, ma'am. Okay, so the range is like the total number divided by the amount of numbers, right?
Oh no, that's the mean. And we've just calculated the mean. This is the mean over here. We found that the mean was 549,09. How do we calculate the range, Buthe?
Ma'am, may I please have a quick reminder?
Okay, here, I'm going to have you look quickly.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you, ma'am. So biggest minus the smallest, which is 260 minus 895.
I think you're doing it the wrong way around, my sweetie.
Oh, 895 minus 260.
Minus 260, good.
895 minus 260, which in total, it will give us,
thank you, Leona.
it's going to give us 635.
Good, 635 pounds. Ooh, Buthe, we've got to be prepared for this, my dude. Don't skip any questions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, excellent, excellent. Well done. All right, can I get a thumbs up, thumbs down, guys? In the chat, tell me, how do we feel about answering questions on the mode, median, mean, and range? Are we comfortable with these questions? Excellent, Nomahlubi. Thanks, Sia, and Bonolo, and Canva, and Snowy. Excellent, because we're going to start learning something new today, and I want you guys to be with me as we go through it, because what we've been doing here is we've been taking other people's data and finding out very important information about it. Now we're going to start using our own data. Sang is like thumbs middle. Sang, it just takes practice. We just need to practice, my dude, and we're going to get it. Okay. Somewhat, somewhat. All right, guys, today, so we're going to be talking about representing data. Now, when we go out and we ask people all of these questions about what their favorite anything is, we need to make sure that we're getting the relevant information for it. And then when we're reading off this information, if we're telling people about this, let's say, for instance, we want to tell the lady at the tuck shop which ice cream flavors to buy, we need to go and ask everyone at school what their favorite flavors are. Because imagine if she just bought blueberry ice cream and only 4 people like blueberry ice cream, nobody's going to go buy ice cream and she's not going to make money. So we need to make sure we're asking the relevant questions in order to get the right information. Then when we go and present the information, we're not just going to sit there and go, 5 people like chocolate, 7 people like mint chocolate. No, we're not going to be doing that. We're going to represent the information in a bar graph so that she can see it clearly, that our tuck shop lady can see it clearly, and then she'll know exactly what it is she needs to buy and how much of everything she needs to buy. All right, so we're going to run the poll on our favorite ice cream flavor. I know we're going to have a fight about this. I know we're going to have a fight. That banana, the one that says banana there at the end, should actually be caramel. So you guys can pick banana equals caramel. Okay, I'm just going to let you guys know now. Banana equals caramel. So if you click banana, that means you clicked caramel. Okay. Vote to your heart's content. I cannot believe vanilla is winning again.
I don't want to say anything.
Guys.
I did not want to say anything.
Even mint choc is second. Guys, toothpaste chocolate, toothpaste ice cream.
Oh yeah, I forgot you had a problem with mint.
I know.
This is not working.
Sange, I didn't even know that there was such a thing as banana ice cream. I got it off of one of the exercises that I was meant to do with you guys. Oh, guys, can't believe this. Vanilla and mint chocolate, the two flavors that I have an issue with are just exactly. Makosazana, I know your name is not Makosazana. I've just forgotten what your name is. Please let us know in the chat so we can change it for you. No, Matlubi, if I tell you what my favorite is, you guys are not gonna like me anymore. I feel like some of you guys will leave. If I tell you what my favorite ice cream is, I think maybe I'll tell you guys at the end of the class. It's not chocolate, I'll tell you. It's not chocolate. I'm waiting for 5 more people to vote for me. And if we don't vote in the next 30 seconds, we're going to switch it off.
Makosazana is Kinele.
There we go. It's not mint. You guys, all of you are going to be very angry at me. 4 more people to vote for me. 3 more people to vote. Canva's like, I think it's caramel.
Probably banana.
Oh no, Teacher Cat, no. Oh. Can't believe you would say such a thing. No, it's not. Leona, how dare you? All right, okay, we can switch off the poll now and let's share the results with everyone so everyone can see what's going on. All right, excellent. So we're going to take down all of this information, guys. Chocolate is 6 people. Mint choc is 9, Lord knows how. Vanilla is 10. Strawberry is 3. And caramel, sensible people, 7. All right, so we're going to take the information we've got. An apple ice cream. Bonolo, no, my sweetie. No, there's no such thing as apple ice cream. Okay, we can stop sharing. Thank you so much, Teacher Cat. We're going to stop the share. And then we're going to take this information and we're going to put it in a bar graph. We're going to put it in a graph. I know, guys, apple ice cream, really. Okay, so we're going to look at all the flavors we've got. And the first flavor we've got here is chocolate. I'm going to abbreviate everything. Choc, and then I've got mint choc. And then I've got vanilla and strawberry. Van, that's for vanilla. And then straw for strawberry. And we've got Cara for caramel. Okay. Then because my numbers go quite high, I've got 10 as my biggest number here. I'm going to count it in ones. So this will be 1. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And on my y-axis over here, so this is going to be my number of people. I'm going to put on my y-axis the number of people. Buhle, is that a question? Or is that you waiting to give an answer? Just let me know in the chat so I know whether to unmute you or not. Okay, all right. So guys, we are going to be drawing. Okay, I'm going to ask you to hold on for me, Buhle. Okay, so we're going to be drawing a bar graph. And a bar graph has certain features that we need to make sure we include, because as soon as you do something completely different with a bar graph, we don't call it a bar graph anymore. Okay, so one thing we need to know about bar graphs is we always need to have spaces in between each bar. Okay, we need to make sure we have spaces in between each bar. So we're going to start with chocolate. Chocolate is 6 people. So 6 people over here. Okay, we're going to do that, and then we're going to color it in. That's our first bar. I know my bars could look better, but hey, it's all good. It's all good. Okay, mint chalk comes in at a 9, at a whopping 9. Make it make sense. People are out here eating toothpaste for fun. Guys, I can't believe you guys. Okay. There we go. All right. And then obviously we're going to color it in. Mint. And then vanilla at 10 people. I'm sorry, Hermione. I'll be nicer. I'll be nice. I promise. I'll be nice. I'll be nice. Okay. Vanilla comes in at... Let's make vanilla purple. Vanilla comes in at 10 people over here. Hi, Kialebora. Yes, that's it, Kialebora. Do you see why I need the spaces? Kialebora is asking me, ma'am, is a bar graph without the spaces called a histogram? Yes, it is. Okay, and that's very important. The one with spaces is a bar graph. Without spaces is a histogram. No worries, Alicia. Welcome. I'm sorry, Bonolo. I'm sorry. I'll be nice, guys. I'll be nice. Okay, there you go. Vanilla at 10 people, strawberry at 3 people, and then caramel at 7. Okay, so strawberry at 3. Right, Titan? That's what I was saying. I was like, okay, caramel at 7. There we go. All right, okay, excellent. So now here's the information we have from all the information that we just picked up from you guys. Now, remember guys that a bar graph, do you guys notice how we always split our bar graph with a space in between every single bar? Do you guys notice how there's a space in between every single bar? We need to make sure that we keep the spaces in between the bars, because if we don't, it becomes a completely different graph. We need to make sure that there's spaces in between. Okay, now that I'm looking at this, I can easily look at my graph and I can ask you guys, which is the 3rd most popular flavor? Which is the 3rd most popular flavor of ice cream? What are you guys going to say? Tell me in the chat. Oh, we're getting some varying answers in the chat. All right, I agree with everyone who's saying it's caramel. If you're saying it's chocolate, just be careful, guys. It's not chocolate. And now I'm writing chocolate. Oh my goodness. It's not chocolate, guys. It's caramel. Remember, I can read it off the graph. I know, okay, this is my number 1. This is number 1 because it's the highest bar. And then this is going to be number 2 because that's the 2nd highest. And this one is number 3 because it's the 3rd highest. So my 3rd most popular flavor is going to be caramel. Alicia, are you understanding? So I can look at how tall my bar is, and I can tell which one is the 3rd most popular. Okay, do you understand what I'm getting at? Same as if I asked you, which is the least favorite? Which is the least favorite? Which one doesn't have that much? Which one do people not like that much? Good, it's the strawberry. Good, strawberry, exactly. And somebody's like, it's hard not to notice the tallest bar. Guys, don't rub it in. Don't rub it in. Okay. It's not understandable. Strawberry is quite nice. You guys are just being biased. You're very mean today. Can't believe you. All right, Buhle, I want to ask you a question since your hand is already up. Okay. If I wanted to find out how many people took this survey, how would I do that? Just by looking at my graph. What do you think we should do?
Oh, you write it in a tally graph and wait.
Not quite, because we're not actually going to people and asking them. If we were going up to people and asking them, that would make more sense to use a tally. But we already have the bar graph. How do I find out how many people have already told me how much they like?
You calculate everything up.
How do we calculate it though? Because a calculation is something different.
You add it all together.
Exactly, 100%. We add all the numbers together. So I'm going to start with chocolate, which is 6, plus mint, which is 9, plus vanilla is 10, and I'm writing up, down, plus strawberry, which is 3, plus caramel, which is 7. And if we add them all up together, how much are we going to get? Let's add all of these numbers together, guys. 6 plus 9 plus 10 plus 3 plus 7.
We're gonna get 35.
Good, 35. So 35 people took the survey. Do you see how easy it is to find the answer we're looking for?
Yes.
Excellent. All right, guys, I need you to remember this. It does come out in your quiz on Wednesday, something very similar to this, but you guys, please make sure that you're noticing, okay? I am using a parameter of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each block counts as one person. If I decided to change this, and I'm not going to color my bar graphs in because that takes too long. If I decided to change this to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. If we go back and we look at how many people like chocolate, 6 people like chocolates. How many blocks am I going to color in for chocolate? Am I going to color in 6 blocks? No worries, Danae, welcome. I'm not going to color in 6 blocks. That's it, Buipilo. I'm going to color in 3 blocks. Good, I'm going to color in 3. Okay, there we go. And same with mint. We know that mint is 9 people. So I'm going to go to mint, and instead of coloring in 9 blocks, I'm going to go to 8, which is over here, and I'm going to only color in 4.5 blocks, because that half in that 8, then that 4 part counts for that one person. Okay. Can I get a thumbs up, thumbs down? Do you guys understand what I mean when I say I'm calculating, I'm coloring in 4.5 and 3 blocks for 6 people? For vanilla, because there are 10 people, I would color in 5 blocks. I would only color in 5 blocks. Okay, so this is very dependent on what my numbers are over here on my y-axis. You guys need to pay attention to the y-axis. Okay, I hope you guys are seeing it. I'm so happy you guys get it. Excellent. We are going to take a brain break. Okay, let's take a brain break. Are we ready? Are we ready to go on a cruise? Let's go on a cruise. Woo! Okay, I hope you guys are ready for this. All right, Teacher Kat, are you with me?
I'm with you.
Excellent. All right. So I'm going on a cruise, and I'm bringing my favorite word. I'm bringing Gucci. I'm bringing Gucci. What are you going to bring?
I'm going on a cruise, and I'm bringing Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton. You're definitely coming, Teacher Kat, and you good. I see you have expensive tastes. I see you. I see you. And Danae's like, can I bring Mike? No, no, you can't. No. Buhle, what are you bringing, my sweetie? No, and Buhle is not unmuting. Hi, Buhle.
Yo. Okay, ma'am. I
didn't quite hear that.
Ma'am, I'm going to skip because I do not know.
Oh, okay. Okay, that's fine. Let's see if Sia has something. Sia, what are you bringing? Sia, you are muted and you need to unmute.
I think Versace.
Versace, Fela in Versace, yes. And you're definitely coming on the cruise. Yay, let's go. Sangya, you're up, my dude. What are you bringing?
Ma'am, I'm bringing Dior, ma'am.
Dior. You got expensive taste, my dude. And you're definitely
Yes,
coming on the
ma'am.
cruise. Let's go, let's go. Melisha, what are you bringing? Bulela, that was Bulela's answer. Sangya just stole Bulela's answer. Melisha, what are you bringing on the cruise?
Channel.
Ooh, Chanel. Yes. Do you guys know everybody calls me Coco Chanel because my name is Coco? I wish I was as rich and as famous, but I'm not quite as rich as
I also wish you were.
Yeah. It would have been a perk to know me, don't you think, Teacher Kat? I mean,
It would
I would
you. I'd move closer.
Shauna, what are you bringing on the cruise?
I think I'm gonna bring Tommy Hilfiger.
Ooh, bring Tommy Hilfiger and all his friends, all of them. Absolutely. Bring Tommy Hilfiger. Excellent. Excellent. Thank you, Shauna. I love it. Leona, what are you bringing, my sweetie?
Ma'am, I'm bringing Prada.
Prada. Oh, you guys have such nice taste. I love Prada bags. I Googled Prada bags just to look at them. I don't know how, I can't afford them. I can only look. I can afford to look. I can't afford to buy. Bonolo, what are you bringing?
Ma'am, I'm bringing Valentino.
Ooh. Love Valentino. Oh, I'm spelling it wrong even. Valentino, absolutely. Have you seen Valentino's new line of ball gowns? You need to go look at their beautiful evening dresses. They've made some beautiful evening dresses. You should go have a look. Snowy, what are you bringing?
I'm bringing Balenciaga.
Oh, yes. Bring Balenciaga. We will take it. Absolutely. Thank you. Loving it. Excellent. Titan, what are you going to bring us? Hello, Titan. Oh, no, I've lost Titan. Okay, we'll come back, Titan. Ginelwe, what are you going to bring us?
LMD.
LMD, nice. Okay, I like it. I like it. Okay, let's see who else hasn't given us. Talisa, what are you going to bring us?
Amaxhosa.
Oh, yes. I've actually seen this brand in Sandton, Amaxhosa, right? I've seen it. It's somewhere in, I almost said Morningside, but I've seen their clothing brand before on William Nicol. They're very, very beautiful. I love their work. You see, I like people with good taste, with excellent taste. Khozo, I think you're going to be the last one for us, my dude. We're going to run out of time. Khozo, what did you bring? What are you bringing?
Christian Louboutin.
Oh, I actually own a pair of Christian Louboutins. I love it. Yes. You see, I knew you had tastes. I knew you had taste, Khozo. This is why you and me, same WhatsApp group. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Okay. I'm so glad everybody knows their designer brands. See, then one day you guys are going to buy them for me. Ne? Everybody who answered today, you all owe me either a bag or a pair of shoes or a dress or a hat from one of these shops. Yes, I'm looking at you, Teacher Kat. You owe me a Louis Vuitton bag. Thank you. Please and thank you. Thank you very much. I will take it. You guys are so generous. Thank you so much. I will take the Versace dress. Thank you. Ah, Bonolo, you see, when you say, I promise to buy you, now you and me, we have to meet. We have to meet. Okay, excellent. All right, guys. So we're going to be learning about how to draw a double bar graph. Okay. We're going to be looking at a double bar graph. And with a double bar graph, guys, it looks just like a normal bar graph, except we're doing two things at the same time so that we can compare two sets of data at a time. Okay, two sets of data. So Teacher Kat's going to run a poll for me called Boys Languages of Watobe. Now, if you are a boy, please answer this poll. If you're a girl, I need you to hold on. Don't answer. Okay. Do not answer. Only if you're a boy, please answer the poll. We're going to be comparing numbers. Okay. Just tell us what your home language is. If your home language is not on here, please just click on other for me. Titan, just your home language. I know we all speak more than one language. I just want to know, which language do you speak at home? Which language do your parents speak? Okay. What heritage are you? What culture? What language are you from? That's it. So I just need you to click Sesotho for me, my sweetie. Trevor's a border jumper. Trevor, choose one. Choose one border. No, wait, you can't choose one border. Choose one country. You can't choose the border. The border is in between the two. Okay, excellent. I'm going to give you guys 10 more seconds. Make sure you're answering. If you're a dude, make sure you've answered. Dene, then you just click English, my guy. Oh, no, Mahlubi, loving it. Proudly Xhosa. I like it. I like it. Okay. I know he sounds very illegal, Lelege. I don't know. I don't know about you guys, but fishy. Oh, I see. Okay, so you've clicked other for us, I hope. All right, guys. Okay, can we share? Can we end the poll, Teacher Kat, and we can share the results for this one? And we're going to fill in the results we have. So for English, I have 1 English speaker, no Afrikaans speakers at all, 2 Sesotho, 1 Sepedi, 8 isiZulu speakers, 2 isiXhosa speakers, no Siswati speakers. Let's see, let's go down. 1 Ndebele speaker and 1 speaker of other. And we don't know what other is. Okay, excellent. All right, so these are the numbers for our guys, and that's the results that we're going to have there. And then we're going to run the poll for the girls. And now, if you're a girl, can I ask you to please answer the next poll? Okay, if you're a girl, go ahead and answer this poll for me. Okay. And let's see. Oh, finally, English has more than 1 person. Bonolo is proud. Sesotho, I'm so glad. Guys, I'm so glad you guys actually are proud of your cultures, and I hope you guys speak your home languages. It's very important that you speak your home language. Leona, if you can teach me how to speak Venda, I would love that. Thank you very much. Please and thank you. I think you and Rolivua speak Venda, and I would love to learn, because I'm also from Limpopo, but I'm Pedi, and I'm not actually Venda or Tsonga. And I wanted for the longest time to learn Venda, and I never did. So yeah. Hi, Bopilo's just like me. We're both, yes, Limpopo hands, obviously. Top tier, you know what I mean. Nomashubi wants to learn Swahili. That's excellent. Alicia, I'm Pedi. I speak Sepedi. Cindy's also Venda. You guys need to teach me. You must teach me.
So interesting.
Oh, Trevor, you cannot say such a thing. Some of the best people in the world come from Limpopo. Please. Sia says, unfortunately. I don't think it's unfortunate, Sia. It's actually a good thing because you get to learn more cultures.
I'm actually a mix of Tswana and Xhosa. So
oh, wow. Please, Teacher Kat. Which language do you speak at home?
We speak both because they're both stubborn. My dad insists on speaking Xhosa, and my mom insists on speaking Tswana. And then you get asked, like, what's going on here?
You just get like a mix of everything in between.
Yes.
I love that. I love that. Then I have a nephew of mine who the mom is German and the dad is Zulu. And he's like, yes, he's the child of a friend. And now because he now can speak a little bit of German and a little bit of Zulu. So he mixes up the 2 languages and it sounds like a very funny language because he's only 4 years old. It's the funniest thing we've ever heard.
I like it.
It's excellent. All right, let's share all the girls' results and let's see what we've got for the girls. All right, so for English, we've got 4 English speakers, 1 Afrikaans speaker, 2 Sesotho, 2 Sepedi, 4 isiZulu, 8 isiXhosa speakers. Wow, guys, shoot, ladies. 1 Siswati speaker, 1 Ndebele speaker, and 5 other. Yo, that is a lot. Okay, excellent. So this is what we're going to do with this information that we've got here. All right, we're going to start with the boys and we're going to count. Wait, I need to go down here and write them out. Okay, so I've got English, Afrikaans, then what came next? Sotho, Pedi, Sotho, Pedi, Zulu, Xhosa, and then we had Swati and Ndebele and then other. Okay, Swati, Ndebele, and then other. Okay, so we're gonna start with the guys. Or maybe she is, Talisa. Don't just be like, no, she's not. Maybe she is half Indian. How do we know? All right, so boys, we've got 1 English speaker, but because we've got so many of you guys, I think I'm gonna do it again in ones. Oh no, I can actually do it in 2s this time. Excellent. Okay, so I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh no, I can't. Okay. I'm gonna have to cut it short. I'm gonna have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And over here on my y-axis, again, I'm gonna put number of people. Sure, you guys are very, very cultured. Okay, all right, so for the boys, we've got 1 English speaker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw only in half the space for English, because these are just the boys. And then we've got no Afrikaans speakers, 2 Sesotho speakers. So I'm gonna go like, and there's a reason why I'm leaving space, guys. Remember, who can tell me? Anybody put their hand up? Why am I leaving spaces? Who can remind us? Why am I leaving spaces? 1 Sepedi speaker. Yes, Sange, why am I leaving spaces?
Ma'am, because you're going to be doing a double bar graph. Ma'am,
Good.
like
What do we know about bar graphs? What do we know about the space? Why do we need space?
Ma'am,
What do we know about the graphs?
we're comparing 2 results, ma'am.
Good, but can the bars touch each other?
Yes, ma'am.
Ooh, can they? The double bar graph, yes. But can the graph from Pedi and Zulu touch?
But is this a histogram, ma'am?
Yes, so if they were to touch, then it would be a histogram. But because we're drawing a bar graph, can they touch?
No, ma'am.
No, they cannot. Okay. We need to make sure that they do not touch. Excellent, excellent. That's what I'm trying to get at. Okay, 2 for isiXhosa and then 1, 1. 2 for Xhosa. And nothing for Swati, 1 for Ndebele, and 1 for other. Sure. Okay. Then let's look at the girls numbers. 4 for English, 1 for Afrikaans. So for English, I'm going to go all the way there. Okay, now these 2 double graphs, they can touch. These 2 bar graphs can touch because they're underneath the same language. But when I draw my bar graph for Afrikaans, it cannot touch the English graphs. Do you guys understand that? I hope you guys do. Okay, so now I'm going to draw Afrikaans. Afrikaans and Sotho cannot touch. I have to make sure. Okay. And then Sesotho is 2 and Sepedi is also 2. So Sotho is 2. And Sepedi is 2 as well. What do you guys think of my drawing? I think I've got excellent, excellent drawing skills, guys. 4 and 8. Thank you, guys. Thank you. I knew you guys would lie to me and tell me that I'm doing a great job. I knew I could count on you guys to lie to me. 8115. 1. And 1. And our other for ladies is 5. Sure. Okay. And now we can, instead of having to go and look at 2 different graphs, we can look at the graph and we can answer some very important information. Okay. Which is the most spoken language by boys? That's it. And Danae didn't even have to look twice. Which is the most spoken language by boys? Zulu. That's it. Good. Now, because guys, this also represents a data set. What does that tell me about the mode? What is my mode going to be? What is my mode going to be? I think I may have drawn this wrong, actually. That's it, Buche. My mode is going to be the number of boys that picked Zulu. Okay. Yes, good. I just fixed it. Sorry. Sorry, Abetui. Sorry, Abetui. Okay, Hermione, before you answer the word 8, remember what 8 represents. Do we remember what this 8 actually represents? Okay. When we say mode, we are talking about, good, we are talking about the number of people, or the number of, the number of languages that appears the most. So if I had to write this out, I would write English, 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 again and again, and then I would write 1 Afrikaans, and then I would write 2 Sotho. So when I ask you guys, what is the mode? What is the mode here? Not the number of people, the language that the most people speak. What is my mode going to be, guys? It's not going to be a number, guys. It's going to be a language. Which one? Which language, Hermione? That's it, Singata. Now you're getting it. The mode is Zulu, because the people who have voted the most are Zulu speakers. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you guys, how many more boys, or how many more girls than boys speak English? And now what I'm actually asking you for here is the range of English. What is the range of English? Can anybody tell me? How do we calculate range again? Who remembers? How do we calculate the range? Who can tell us? Who can remind us? Yes, Riabetui, how do we calculate the range?
We calculate the range from the difference between biggest and the smallest.
Good. Now I want to know, Riabetui, the range of boys to girls in English, who speak English. What is my range? What is the biggest number? The girls, right? How much are the girls? How many girls speak English?
4.
And how many
4.
boys speak English?
1.
1. Good. So my range for English is 3.
1.
Oh, it's not 3. 4 minus 1. How much is that going to give me?
3.
3, exactly. So 3 more girls than boys.